Okay, so I have a question. Where has life come from? Why are we the way we are today? How has our uniqueness developed in each and every organism? One word: evolution. Okay. The methods and claims of creationists are not subject to experimentation, prediction, revision, or falsification. To them, these pursuits are irrelevant because they believe they possess the truth as set forth in the Bible. In their view, scientific theory or evidence that contradicts the Bible must be in error because the Bible, the actual interpretation of the Bible, cannot be mistaken. Moving on. Not a single living organism that has ever been discovered shows any sign whatsoever of having not evolved from non-Darwinism, which means if there were the scientific method is precisely designed to discover it. There are no known species of any living organism anywhere on Earth that cannot be fully described by evolution theory. The only people who assert otherwise are religious fundamentalists who have repeatedly demonstrated that they do not understand how Darwinism evolution by means of natural selection actually works. Hence, it is illegal in almost every industrialized nation on Earth to teach creationism in the science classroom. Survival of the fittest. It is not the guiding principle of individual behavior. It is the biological mechanism which determines the adaptability of a species over time, not individuals within their own lifetime. Evolution happens gradually over hundreds of millions of years. Random mutations in the DNA code does not always produce positive results. Mutations are not always beneficial because evolution is unguided. It has no foresight. Natural selection builds up upon mutations that produce adaptations which are beneficial in specific areas, just as it cancels out the mutations that are detrimental in others. So this explains why 99.9% of all life that has ever lived on Earth is now extinct. So I will close with this. Beyond the shadow of doubt, human DNA and chimpanzee DNA are 98% identical. We diverged from the same common ancestor 5 million years ago. This isn't idle speculation, it is a fact bound in deductive logic. We are the modern descendants of ancient apes, just as modern apes are descendants from the same ancestral tree, but a different branch to humans. Just as the Volkswagen Beetle is the ancestor of the Porsche Carrera GT. One does not cease to exist because of the emergence of the other, but where car designs are engineered and refined by man. Life is shaped by genetic mutations, which over time gives rise to entirely new species. Thank you.